Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to perform an SVN export in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to perform the equivalent of an SVN export operation using Python. SVN export is a command used in Subversion, SVN, to create a clean copy of a repository tree without the associated .svn metadata directories. We will use the subprocess module to execute the SVN export command from within a Python script. Prerequisites. Let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Import the subprocess module. Step 2. Define the SVN export command. Make sure to replace the svn_URL with the URL of the SVN repository you want to export from, and export_path with the local directory path where you want to save the exported files. Step 3. Execute the SVN export command using subprocess. Here, we use the subprocess.check_output method to execute the SVN export command. It will capture the standard output and raise an exception if the command fails. We use stderr equals subprocess.STDOUT to redirect any error messages to the standard output. Step 4. Running the Python script. Save the Python script to a .py file and execute it. This will perform the SVN export operation and save the exported files to the specified local directory. Important note. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you've learned how to perform the equivalent of an SVN export operation in Python using the subprocess module. You can use this script to automate SVN exports in your projects, saving time and effort. Make sure to adjust the svn_URL and export_path variables to match your specific repository and export location. ChatGPT.